Dude, I can't believe you're doing this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this episode, I'm gonna get a face tattoo because that is how serious I am about TikTok. I want every single one of you guys to text the phone number that I put right here because I want to teach you how to grow on TikTok. So I decided, like, what is the best way to do this, right? What is working right now in culture? Tekashi69 got a face tattoo and he gets more views than Drake. I figured I may as well get a face tattoo. And if you have not texted me yet, you need to make sure that you text me. The phone number is right here. I'm gonna help you guys grow on TikTok, I promise you. I have been yelling and screaming about how the biggest opportunity in the world right now is TikTok. More or less, I want to prove that to you guys. Now, like, yeah, I understand TikTok's gonna go out of style one day, but I don't really care. Like, it'll be iconic, you know what I mean? Like, I blew up on TikTok. TikTok is where I got my start as being an influencer, and it'll just be something cool to always have. I mean, think about it. It's better than me getting, like, a girlfriend's name tattooed on my arm or something. I mean, I'm not scared of needles or anything. I have tattoos all over my arms anyway, so what's the difference if I get a couple face tattoos? And for those of you that don't know, I am the CEO of helping you guys grow on TikTok. If you look to your right, if you're on a desktop, and if you look below you, if you're on a mobile device, I'm sure you're gonna see a ton of suggested videos. I've made every video under the sun. I made a video about the latest TikTok algorithm update. I make a video about every TikTok algorithm update, the best time to post, what hashtags to use, how to get on the For You page, all of these different things. I am dedicating my life to helping you guys grow on TikTok. Not only proving that by getting a face tat in this video, I also prove that by quitting my job with Gary Vee because my biggest goal in life is to help over 1 million people gain over 100,000 followers or more on TikTok. So I know what you guys are probably thinking. Rob, this is an absolutely terrible idea. You should probably seek some help. You should probably talk to your friends about this. You should probably ask your parents if they want a kid with the TikTok logo tattooed on their face. So I did that and I want to show you guys their response. So the first person I hit up was my old roommate from college. He's probably my best friend. I talked to him about absolutely everything. Love him so much because he has never judged me before. Even when I started putting content out on the internet, he was like, yeah, dude, just do it. Just go for it. Let's see where it takes you. And obviously it took me to a great place. So I wanted to call him up and get his opinion. Here's what he had to say. I gotta be honest with you, I have no idea how he's gonna react to this. I don't know. He's either gonna love this idea or he's gonna hate this idea. Zach.
Yeah.
All right, so I got this idea, right? And I'm filming this right now. I'm gonna get a face tattoo for TikTok. No, like, dude, look, you know how serious I am about wanting to grow on TikTok and, like, get that out there, and I feel like that's the best way to do it.
No, Rob, I don't give advice, and I think you're a really smart guy. I think you got a lot going. But I can't encourage you to get a face tattoo.
Why not? Like, dude,
because it's a face tattoo. I can't even.
Yeah, but you have to think, like, this is what made me blow up on the internet. Like, this is gonna take me to new heights.
But this is a face tattoo. This is permanent.
6ix9ine has a face tattoo, and he's got more views than Drake.
But you don't rap. You don't.
Not yet. I don't rap.
No.
All right, honestly, dude, forget you. I don't even care about your opinion. Zach's not on board with it. Whatever, we'll see what other people have to say. All right, so the next person I wanted to tell about this is my brother. As you guys know, he edits all of my videos. I don't know how he's gonna feel about this. He knows how much I care about wanting to blow up on TikTok, so I wanna get his opinion.
What the fucking idiot. Why would you do that?
All right, so now that you just spit water all over me and this camera, it's probably broken now. Is that a good idea? Is that a good idea?
No, that's not a good idea.
It wasn't a good idea for you to spit water all over me either. All right, so now I am soaking wet because Chris is an idiot and just spit water all over me. But regardless of the point, as you guys could see, Zach isn't about it. Chris didn't think it was a good idea at all. I want to ask my parents and I want to ask my assistant, Max. Honestly, I have no idea what Max is going to say about this because just a pretty weird guy. I mean, he might be totally on board with this whole thing.
All right, so Max, you already know what's going on because I've been obviously recording this. Chris is still absolutely soaking wet. I'm getting a face tattoo for TikTok. What do you think about it?
Do it. Send it.
What do you mean, dude?
Hopefully I'll get more girls than you do then.
All right, we'll see what happens. All right, so I really want to get one more person's opinion, and this will probably be the last opinion that I get. And then we're gonna have to figure out how I pull this whole entire thing off because, as you guys know, all the crazy stuff that's going on right now, like, I don't think there's gonna be a tattoo parlor open right now.
Hello?
Dad.
Yes, sir.
So I told you that Zach got that tattoo, right?
Yeah.
So I got a tattoo on my face for TikTok.
No, you didn't.
Yeah.
Why?
Because it would get a lot of views.
Are you kidding me? Really? You know, Zach texted me something and said, hey, Dad, you got a pregnancy test?
What do you mean?
He's telling me that, you know, somebody's pregnant. Really? Is this like an internet thing?
All right, so obviously apparently my brother got somebody pregnant. I have no idea what is going on in this video, but let's just run with it. The next step is, like I said, my brother did a stick and poke tattoo, so I'm gonna have him do that. I'm gonna get the TikTok logo here, but we need the stick and prick, whatever the thing is called. We need the thing to be able to tattoo me, so now we have to get that. That's the last piece to this.
Yeah.
Did you get the thing yet?
No, he's on his way.
All right, well, Dad mentioned something about you needing a pregnancy test. What's up with that?
I don't know.
You get somebody pregnant?
I don't know.
What are you, dude, what are you...
What are you doing?
Dude, what are you doing, man? You know you're not allowed in here. That's why that gate's there.
All right, so Mags thinks that my brother actually did get somebody pregnant, which that would be like, I don't know, a face tattoo and somebody got pregnant.
Your dad doesn't around about that bro.
How funny would that be, though?
Incredible.
If that's how everybody found out.
Dude, he's 18, dude.
I'm calling my mom right now. You think she'll freak out? What do you think she's gonna do?
Hey, man.
Mom,
What's up?
so your husband did not like this too much?
Get the out of here.
I'm so serious.
Robert, come on.
It works. I think this video is gonna be the most viewed video I ever put out.
Why would you do that on your face?
What do you, Mom, what? Everybody's doing it.
On their face?
Yeah.
That's a little crazy.
Do you really think so?
Yeah. Yeah, I do.
All right,
I
well,
really can't imagine you doing that.
why can't you imagine that, Mom? I told you that this is what I wanted to do for a living.
Well, first of all, you told Zachary that he was an idiot for doing a tattoo by himself. Are you serious?
Why would I make this up?
You know exactly what I'm talking about.
I said, do you think it was Chris who got
No, I told you, Chris can't get hard. All right, is your friend coming with the stick and poke?
Yes. No, he's not.
Is he not, or what is he doing?
No.
Well, if he's not, then we're gonna have to figure something out. Like,
Got a needle
could we
right
just
here.
use a needle? What the hell's wrong with it? Why would you walk around with that?
Dude, what are you... Yo, you're creepy, man.
I'm trying to find the sharpest one.
For what?
For your face.
All right, but you guys
Think this is gonna hurt?
Yeah.
Like, how bad?
Can't be that bad, man.
Don't be a
I don't think we can say that on YouTube. The stick and poke, is the stick and poke coming through?
No.
All right, so we're just gonna have to do this with a good old needle and some ink.
Lucky for us, Max has been to jail like 2 or 3 times, so he should know how to do this. Show them the tattoo.
Yo, I got this one there.
Oh my, dude, is that what it's gonna look like?
It's gonna look like like that?
Depends if Zach has a steady hand.
Oh, God.
Dude, I can't believe you're doing this.
All right, so here it is. Let's see it, Chris. What are you doing with that?
Just squeezing this.
All right, but show them our makeshift. It's not focusing. All right, well, you guys get the point. It's a pencil with a pretty thick needle on here.
Yo, can you stop doing that? I'm trying to record. Hopefully this doesn't hurt too bad. I'm gonna have him poke me in my leg before he does this on my face because I don't know. This is really, really thick.
Dude, we gotta film the guy from Toku, bro.
Yeah, how funny would that be?
Test this on my leg. So before I let him do this on my face, because Max, what'd you do with the ink, dude? Are you sniffing the ink?
No, chill, dude. Don't do it that hard. Seriously, do not. Chris. No, you could go a little deeper than that.
Oh, yeah. What? Dude, you just stabbed my leg, Chris.
What are you talking about?
That's how hard you're gonna do it?
You gotta put the ink in.
Yeah, but it doesn't have to be that hard on my face.
Gotta make sure it stays forever, dude.
It's
Yeah,
not
dude,
staying forever, dude. I don't want it to stay forever.
Why not, dude? I thought you were committed to this.
I am committed to it, but maybe we'll do it somewhere else. All right, guys, so obviously I'm not doing any tattoos on my face. I just wanted to make this video because I thought it was a really creative way for me to raise awareness around my channel and around all of the work that I've been doing to help all of you guys grow on TikTok. I wanted to just break out of being known for being like the person that you find when you look for TikTok algorithm or something like that. I wanted to find a creative way for me to try to push this to the forefront of like mainstream media and go viral to, you know, get more views attracted here, because as you guys know, I make so much content about the actual things to do on TikTok, on social media. I'm not just telling people, hey, you need to be on TikTok like a lot of the big gurus are. I'm telling you guys exactly what to do. If you guys have not seen my channel before, I'm gonna link out to my playlist where I give you guys everything that you could ever ask for. How to make money on TikTok, the TikTok algorithm updates. I do weekly uploads. I want to help you guys out so much because I really think that this is the biggest opportunity. So I've spoken to so many people today. I've spoken to somebody today, a mentor's client. They went from 0 to 100K in a day. That is, and let me emphasize that this is not normal. They went from 0 to 100K in one day. They went from 100K to over 600K in 2 weeks. It has totally changed his life. I'm trying to get him to launch a YouTube channel. I want that to be the story for so many people. I really want to give you guys the information, the tactics, the personalized recommendations for you guys guys to be able to do that, and that is exactly why I need you guys to text this number. I know I've said it so many times. That's the whole point of this video, is to try to get my phone number out there as much as possible because I want to help everybody. I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what to do, and that is what I'm trying to do with my platform. So many people are taking this opportunity and allowing it to change their life. I know it has totally changed my life, and I want to spread this knowledge, honestly. Like, it does nothing for me. I've said it in all my videos. It does nothing for me if I get more followers on TikTok. I don't care about that. I quit my job with Gary Vee to help over 1 million people grow over 100,000 followers on TikTok. That doesn't mean that I can't help you if you have over 100,000. I work with people that have 4 million. I work with people that have 500,000. I work with people that have all types, anything. Whether you have 0 followers or 8 million followers and you need to figure out what to do next, I'm your guy. That being said, I do want you guys to check out 2 other people that are trying to change their life on TikTok also. Like I said, it doesn't matter what you do. You could be selling real estate like Adam. I'm gonna put his link right here. Or you could just be a choreographer, a dancer, an actor like Tatiana. I think that's how you pronounce your name. I'm sorry if I totally messed that up. But nevertheless, I'm gonna put their link here. Both of the links are gonna be here underneath me. You guys need to go follow them. You need to go check them out. Support them on their journey. Adam is focused on real estate. Tatiana is doing lip syncing stuff. She's a choreographer, a dancer. If you wanna learn how to make content around that kind of stuff, how to incorporate that stuff in your content, I strongly suggest you guys go check them out and follow them back. I guarantee that they will drop you a follow back. Now guys, make sure that you follow all these people back that are gonna follow you, because I don't wanna lie to my followers on your behalf. If you're still watching this video, thank you so much. Like I said, I'm gonna link out to all of my TikTok stuff in the description below. If you wanna get in on my mentorship program or my accelerator program, you can find it in the description below. If you wanna get all of my free content on YouTube, totally free. This is not like some scam where like I'm making these videos and then trying to sell people stuff. I give out a ton of information for free. But yes, if you want my personalized recommendations and me to spend my time looking at your account, I'm gonna have to charge for that. That's why I have a mentorship program and accelerator program. Both of them guarantee growth. I guarantee that I can help you guys grow on TikTok. If not, you're gonna get your money back. Like I said, if not, all the other content is totally free. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you text me. That's what this whole entire video was about. Make sure you text me because I'm gonna have a lot of really, really cool stuff coming to the people that text me. Thank you so much for watching this video.